Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle type in Google Map. To do that, you open your Google Map app, click on your profile, go to settings, scroll down and click on your vehicles. Now if you want to get personalized search and fuel efficient route recommendation based on your vehicle, you have to change your engine type. You have gas, diesel, hybrid and electric to choose from. If you choose hybrid or electric, you also have to change the plug and adapter type. So if it's a Tesla car, you click on Tesla. If it's a non-Tesla car, you click on non-Tesla. So that's how you change your vehicle type in Google Map. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.